What is going on, guys? Welcome to Wrenchettes. We're not only work on this beautiful G35, but on life as well. Now today we're going to work on life, and we're going to talk about how much that I spent to operate a TLC vehicle in New York City. Grab the popcorn, grab the chips, and enjoy the salt.
I like a new Lincoln with all of its class.
Okay, so let's get right to it. You guys are in the passenger seat. You guys are in the steering wheel. You guys are in control. You guys are going to get firsthand on how much I spent. Let's open up the list. No, I'm just kidding. It's not that big. It's just on paper. Okay, so let's get right to it. For the TLC license, I spent $685. TLC plates, I spent $625. TLC insurance, that would be liability. Call me crazy. Yep. $2,618.08. I don't recommend you doing liability, by the way. If you can, do full coverage, especially if you're making payments. Gas, a lot. I ate a lot of burritos. $4,465.34. Easy Pass, $1,817. Lincoln NKT payment. This is the mule, the car that I use every day to work. I spent on payments $6,938.04. Yep. Car wash, I estimated it around 3 times a week because it depends if it was dusty, if we got dirty, whatever. I estimated 3 times a week, and that gave me $1,080. Repair on the mule, I calculated it at $190. That includes tire fixes, whatever I did to it. I have the receipts, so I estimated it around $190. Food, I sometimes stayed outside, but sometimes I came to my house and ate. So I estimated it around $1,680 year round. Cell phone use, you guys do know that you have to put your cell phone because you work out of your cell phone. That's business expenses. I calculated it at $2,400 for the entire year. Mileage, now this is the mileage from the mule, not the Mercedes or the Altima or the Avalon, just the mule. I did 21,500 estimated. It most likely was more, but I calculated it around 21,000. Okay, the American lease. This is when I leased the Metris, the Altima, and the Avalon. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, I put the playlist in here. You guys can go watch it and enjoy those videos. It's very informative. I spent $5,062 with 43 cents. Okay, so the entire expense for 2018 is $27,560.89. Now, disclaimer: this is the same paper I handed it to my tax preparer, and here it is, the total amount. You guys want to pause that? See, I didn't lie. This is the exact same paper. I just took it from my folder and folded it like this and put it in my pocket so I could come downstairs and do the video. But yeah, this is the exact same paper I gave my tax preparer. This is what I claimed on my taxes, and yeah, that's what it is, boys. If you guys were curious to know how much a driver makes, of course it depends on the driver, how much you wash your car, how much you spend on the bills, if you have more repairs. So it could be less, it could be way more to operate a vehicle in New York City. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a like on this video. If you guys are new, please consider subscribing because 2019 is going to be an awesome year. God bless. Until next time, guys. Peace.